Ready, set, go. Some assembly required. That's what happens when you get some exercise equipment at the curbside or at thrift stores or at garage sales and you're not sure if all the parts are there. The first problem was I didn't have any bolts to bolt this dip bar thing together. So I had to spend about 20 minutes going through my hardware treasure trove and find the right pieces for the puzzle. So I think we got enough to get started here. I'm using these bolts here because they're the ones I had. I would have rather had something with a hex head on, but those four match, so that's good. I'll put a drop of oil on the bolt here, so if some dumb bastard goes to take this apart years into the future, it'll be easier on them. I think I'm going to go with a top hole here first to kind of hold the piece on. This I don't need. Don't need that yet. And this is rusty and probably been sitting out somewhere, but for what I'm going to use it, I'm not too concerned how pretty it is. This is a basement gym, not a fancy schmancy spandex gym. Oh yeah, it's starting to shape up. Washer, oil, hold the lock washer and nut in the other hand. Come on, get through there, bastard. Line up. There we go. Starting to line up. You can twist the threads on a bolt. Maybe. Give it the wiggle diggle. Or hammer it and wiggle it. Maybe I'm using fat bolts. Too fat bolts. Come on, get in there. Dirty bastard. I'm going to loosen this other one. Maybe that's holding it up too much. Okay, that gave me a little bit more wiggle room. All right, the process seems to be working a bit here. Working a bit here or dropped off. Oh no, it's catching. Come on, get through there. The force is with us. Come on, get on there. Hopefully I didn't screw the threads up hammering it through. All right, we caught a few of them. we caught a little bit. We'll see if we can force it down on in. All right, those are down snug, but there's still a little bit of room for wiggle, diggle, and adjustability. Technical terms: wiggability, adjustability. Lube the bolts, because you may have to hammer them through the holes. And the back sides of this is that's why I'm putting these washers on, because somebody had this tightened as tight as they could possibly get it, and it kind of squashed the metal in. All right. Stanchion number 2. Where are you? Let's see if we can kind of... Oh yeah, you can just press it through that. Oh, this is the easier way of doing it. I should have done the other one the first side, but I didn't have it resting on anything. Sweet, 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 sweet. Ooh, I think I just screwed up here. I gotta put this other piece in first. Foremost or firstmost. The foot stepper with a gripper. The grip tape goes up. Let's see if I got room to stick and see the bolt in. No, that ain't gonna go there. What am I talking about? There's no, maybe it'll go there. I have no idea. Oh, that probably just barely goes in there. Okay, I got enough room. Back to where I was. Some assembly required. There we go. Now I got to get one on there to hold it into place. Do the one on the top first. Come on. Ah, you bastard. All right, there we are. Got it almost secure. Ah, you bastard. There we go. All right. That looks like the worst part of it. this seems to be holding that. Yeah, I gotta tighten that up a little bit more, obviously. Well, I think I'm gonna keep this machine. That's good. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Let's see if this piece actually fits. It's the same color. Well, this one's got a washer on it. That one don't. I'm assuming this goes in the bottom here. We don't need that stinking washer. I don't think we do. Or we'll put it in over there maybe. Maybe we do need that stinking washer. Now, no way that's going to go in there. Unless I get the bolts down, turn the bolts around on the inside. So I got to turn all my bolts around on the inside. Son of a gun! We're going on to take two and do it right. That's what I mean. You don't get directions when you buy the used stuff. Try again.